Hi, and welcome to another coffee time at Austin Community Wellness. This is me and it's Dr. Sarah here. I've got some questions for today about primitive reflexes. So anyway, here we go. We're gonna do some little question and answer about our primitive reflexes during coffee time. So Dr. Sarah, what are primitive reflexes?
So primitive reflexes are reflexes that you're born with. So they should go away at different milestones in a child's life. Sometimes brain injuries or developmental delay can actually bring these back or prevent these from actually fully going away in a child. So these are all the things that we are looking for with primitive reflexes.
Cool. Why is it important for these to be checked?
So I actually check primitive reflexes on every child exam that I do. I test for these mainly because they are predictors of neurodevelopmental delays in children, and there are a lot of exercises that can be done that can actually help these go away like they're supposed to, and so that's kind of the importance behind it.
Okay, so if a child has these reflexes present, does it mean they are if a child doesn't have these reflexes present, does it mean that they are delayed?
So if they have the reflexes present, it doesn't necessarily mean that they are developmentally delayed. There's different body types and different developmental time frames that children have, but for us it's a really good indicator of how we can help introduce exercises that help with that neurodevelopmental period of time. I kind of use these reflexes as a baseline so that I can get a really good idea of where I'm going to focus with this child.
Okay. And why isn't it good to skip these milestones?
So milestones are super important. Skipping steps basically means that the brain is not developing in certain areas. And so by making sure a child goes from crawling to kind of using their hands to pick themselves up on furniture to then walking, letting go and walking. These are all very pivotal points for brain development so that synapses can be created between the left and right hand side of the brain and it can communicate better. So when we have kids that are skipping these steps, they are also skipping the building of these synapses. So as far as primitive reflexes are concerned, we look at these to try to make sure that we are hitting all the steps. And if they are not, we can then introduce exercises to help them get back on track.
Sounds like a pretty important thing to look at in kids. I'm glad we're doing that here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for your time, guys. It was good to get to do a little video for y'all, and we'll see you again. Thank you.